In this video, I'm going to show you how to make automatic notes in Microsoft Teams. First, open your preferred browser. In the search bar, search for Tactic. Left-click on the first link that pops up. This will take you to the Tactic official website. Now on the website, you need to left-click the Add to Chrome button to download this extension. This will take you to the official Chrome web store. Here, left-click the blue Add to Chrome button. Again, click Add Extension when the pop-up appears. The extension will be installed automatically in a matter of seconds. A new tab will automatically be opened. Here you can select Microsoft Teams by left-clicking and enabling it. Click Continue. In the next tab, click Enable Tactic. Then click Allow on the pop-up. On the next tab, you can simply use your Google account to sign in. After signing in, you will be taken to the Tactic Setup page. Here, scroll down and click Try in Microsoft Teams. This will take you to the Microsoft Teams browser website. Here, you can simply start a meeting. Once you are in a meeting, you'll see that the Tactic extension is automatically transcribes whatever is said in the call. There is also a Notes tab for manual quick notes.